Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of fast-growing fruits that you can plant right now and enjoy in no time. From the vibrant red of strawberries to the deep purple of black currants, the plant world offers a delightful array of quick-yielding fruits for the eager gardener. Whether you have a sprawling garden or a sunny windowsill, there's a fast-growing fruit out there waiting to reward your efforts. Let's get started. Our journey begins with a fruit synonymous with summertime, the humble yet delightful strawberry. Alpine strawberries, known for their resilience and rapid growth, can produce fruit in as little as 4 to 6 weeks when grown from mature plants or runners. To cultivate these miniature marvels, one must provide them with the conditions they favor: rich, well-draining soil and ample sunlight. As the days grow longer and warmer, your strawberry plants will respond with vigor, their delicate white blossoms giving way to plump, juicy fruits. Within weeks, you'll be rewarded with a harvest of these delectable treats, perfect for enjoying fresh off the vine or incorporating into your favorite culinary creations. So embrace the joy of cultivating strawberries and savor the fruits of your labor in record time. Next, we turn our attention to a surprising contender in the realm of fast-growing fruits, the radish. This humble plant, often overlooked, holds a secret that many gardeners cherish. Often mistaken for a root vegetable, the radish, in a botanical sense, is indeed a fruit, and a remarkably swift one at that. Its ability to grow rapidly makes it a favorite among those who seek quick results in their gardening endeavors. Imagine sowing these unassuming seeds and witnessing their transformation within a mere 3 to 5 weeks. This rapid growth cycle is not only fascinating to watch but also incredibly rewarding for both novice and experienced gardeners. This makes them an ideal candidate for both spring and fall gardens, offering a quick and rewarding harvest in cooler temperatures. Their ability to thrive in these seasons ensures that you can enjoy fresh radishes almost year-round. Even if you lack a sprawling garden, fear not, for radishes thrive in containers, their compact size making them perfect for urban gardening. This adaptability means that anyone, regardless of space, can enjoy the benefits of growing radishes. The key to their success lies in consistent moisture. Ensuring that the soil remains moist but not waterlogged is crucial for healthy growth. Regular watering will keep your radishes happy and productive. Within weeks, you'll be rewarded with a harvest of these peppery delights, their crisp texture and sharp flavor adding a welcome kick to salads, sandwiches, and crudités. The versatility of radishes in the kitchen is truly remarkable. So embrace the versatility of the radish, a fast-growing fruit that defies expectations and rewards the patient gardener with a rapid and delicious harvest. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, radishes offer a delightful and speedy addition to your gardening repertoire. Our exploration of fast-growing fruits takes an intriguing turn as we delve into the world of microgreens. These tiny wonders, harvested from plants that produce fruits, offer a burst of flavor and nutrition in a remarkably short time frame. Within a mere 30 days, these miniature marvels are ready to harvest, their flavor profiles intensified by their rapid growth. Cultivating microgreens requires minimal space and care, making them an ideal choice for even the most space-constrained urban dweller. The key to their success lies in providing them with consistent moisture and adequate light. Within weeks, you'll be rewarded with a harvest of these flavorful greens, their intense taste adding a gourmet touch to salads, sandwiches, and soups. So embrace the ease and versatility of microgreens, a fast-growing fruit that defies expectations and rewards the patient gardener with a rapid and delicious harvest. Chapter 4. Raspberries, a taste of autumn's bounty. As summer transitions into autumn, our attention turns to the resilient raspberry, a fruit that thrives in cooler temperatures. The shift in seasons brings a unique charm to the garden, with the raspberry canes standing tall and proud, ready to offer their bounty. Fall raspberries, in particular, offer a delightful combination of ease of growth and rapid fruiting, rewarding the gardener with a taste of sweetness before winter's chill sets in. These berries are not just a treat for the taste buds but also a testament to nature's resilience and the gardener's dedication. Imagine yourself strolling through your garden in late summer, the air crisp and cool, as you pluck plump raspberries from their canes. The experience is almost meditative, a moment of peace and connection with nature, as you gather these little gems of flavor. Cultivating fall raspberries is a relatively low-maintenance endeavor, requiring minimal intervention to yield a bountiful harvest. With just a bit of care and attention, these plants will thrive, making them an ideal choice for both novice and experienced gardeners alike. These hardy plants are remarkably resilient, requiring minimal watering and fertilization to flourish. Their ability to thrive with little intervention makes them a perfect addition to any garden, providing a reliable source of fresh fruit. Within months of planting, you'll be rewarded with a harvest of these delectable berries, their sweet tart flavor a perfect encapsulation of autumn's essence. The joy of picking your own raspberries, knowing the effort that went into growing them, is truly unparalleled. So, embrace the ease and flavor of fall raspberries, a fast-growing fruit that defies expectations and rewards the patient gardener with a rapid and delicious harvest. Let these berries be a reminder of the beauty and bounty that each season brings and the simple pleasures of gardening. Chapter 5. High Bush Blueberries, a Symphony of Blue. Our journey through the world of fast-growing fruits leads us now to the high bush blueberry, a shrub that transforms any garden into a haven for pollinators and a source of delightful summer fruit. High bush blueberries, known for their rapid growth, can begin producing fruit within a year of planting, rewarding your patients with a taste of summer's sweetness. To ensure your blueberry bushes thrive, it's essential to provide them with the conditions they favor: acidic soil and full sun exposure. With proper care and attention, your high bush blueberries will reward you with an abundance of fruit. Their sweet, slightly tart flavor a delightful addition to smoothies, pies, and jams. So embrace the joy of cultivating high bush blueberries and savor the fruits of your labor, a testament to the speed and bounty of nature's cycle. Chapter 6. Black Currants, Jewels of the North. Our exploration of fast-growing fruits takes us now to the black currant, a fruit that thrives in cooler climates, its tart flavor a beloved ingredient in jams, jellies, and syrups. Black currant bushes, known for their vigorous growth, can begin producing fruit within a year of planting, their branches laden with clusters of these dark, glossy berries. These hardy plants prefer well-drained soil and regular pruning to thrive, their branches reaching skyward as they soak up the sun's rays. With proper care and attention, your black currant bushes will reward you with an abundance of fruit, their tart, tangy flavor a delightful addition to jams, jellies, and syrups. So embrace the unique flavor of black currants and savor the fruits of your labor, a testament to the speed and bounty of nature's cycle. Chapter 7. Asian Pears, Patience Rewarded. Our final stop on this horticultural adventure brings us to the Asian pear, a fruit that, while not as rapid growing as some of its counterparts, offers a rewarding experience for the patient gardener. The journey of growing Asian pears is one of anticipation and delight, where each season brings new growth and promise. Asian pear trees, while requiring a bit more patience than some of the other fruits we've explored, are relatively low maintenance and resistant to disease, making them an ideal choice for both novice and experienced gardeners alike. These trees are a testament to the saying that good things come to those who wait. Their resilience and hardiness make them a joy to cultivate. These hardy trees thrive in well-drained soil and benefit from regular fertilization, their branches reaching skyward as they soak up the sun's rays. The process of nurturing these trees, from planting to harvest, is a fulfilling endeavor. Watching the branches stretch and grow, you can almost see the energy and life coursing through them. With proper care and attention, your Asian pear tree will reward you with an abundance of fruit for years to come, its delicate sweetness a testament to the joys of cultivating your own orchard, no matter how small. The first bite of a homegrown Asian pear is a moment of pure satisfaction, a reward for your dedication and patience. So embrace the journey of growing Asian pears and savor the fruits of your labor, a testament to the speed and bounty of nature's cycle. Each harvest is a celebration of your hard work and the natural world's generosity. The journey may be long, but the rewards are sweet and plentiful, making every moment worth the wait. As our exploration of fast-growing fruits comes to an end, I encourage you to embrace the joy of cultivating your own edible garden, no matter how small. From the vibrant red of strawberries to the delicate sweetness of Asian pears, the plant world offers a diverse array of quick-yielding fruits that will tantalize your taste buds and reward your efforts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy planting!